Welcome everyone, my name is Joelle and today we have a 5-minute yoga practice to strengthen and tighten our cores. So let's begin right away on our backs. We'll keep things nice and simple today, but still just a little bit fiery. So once you've arrived on your back, you can open your arms out either to the shape of a T or maybe to a cactus shape with the elbows bent. Bring both knees in towards the chest. Settle the lower spine into your mat. Take a big inhale and exhale. And with your next inhale, drop both knees over to the right and exhale to bring them back up through center. And then over towards the left and back to center. And we'll take 2 more. You can either keep the knees bent or maybe straighten out through the legs as we go right and center and left and center. And 1 more, notice the tendency for the opposite elbow to start to lift up. See if you can keep both shoulder blades grounded and finishing that up. Very nice. Hug both knees into the chest and rock a little bit side to side. Now planting the left foot down flat to the mat, we'll extend through that right leg. You might even take a little hamstring stretch here, circling out the ankle, just a few times. And then take hold of opposite elbows over the head, and you can either keep the left foot flat to the mat, or option 2 is to lengthen out that leg, or option 3 is to hover that heel just 1 inch or 2 above the floor. And on your next exhale, we're going to lift the shoulders off the mat. See if you can tap the leg with your forearms, and then inhale to lower. And then exhale, bring the left elbow to the outside of that right thigh, and lower. 2 more. So exhale, brings the forearms to the shin, lowering down, and twisting towards the right to tap that elbow to the outer thigh, and lower. Last one, just like this. Lowering down, twisting over, and coming back down. Now lifting back up, we're going to lift and lower this extended leg. So lowering the right leg to meet the left, and lifting back up. 2 more, you can do it. And last one. And lift it back up. Now lift that left leg up alongside it. Lowering down, hug the knees into the chest for just a moment. Really nice. It doesn't usually take much for the abs. Then we'll take hold of opposite elbows, maybe the funny way this time, so holding the different way from the first time around. And you can plant that right foot down, maybe extend that leg or hover the heel as you extend the left leg long up towards the ceiling. And here we go. So 3 rounds, exhaling first to tap that leg with the forearms. Inhale to lower, and then exhale to twist left this time. And lowering down, we have 2 more rounds. Keep the breath going, last round. And then lifting and holding center here as we lower and lift this left leg 3 times. And then lift the right leg up alongside it. Hug the knees into the chest. Give yourself a little gratitude, and we'll roll up to hands and knees. And last little thing we're going to do for today is come to all 4s, tuck the toes under, and on your next exhale, float the knees a few inches above the mat, press the mat away with your hands, doming slightly through the upper back. Holding here for 3 more breaths, all together. Last deep breath here, hug the navel into the spine. And then gently setting the knees down, finding any seated position that is comfortable for you just to close out here. Maybe swaying a little bit from side to side. And then bringing the hands together in front of the heart as a gesture of gratitude towards yourself. And great job today. I know those are not easy. This is a great one to come back to. Core strength is so important for yoga and also for just about everything we do in everyday life. If you'd like to give your abs a little bit more of a stretch, I have a 6-minute practice that I will link somewhere here on screen, and you can spend a little bit longer on your mat. If you're new here, please do make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this one, and I look forward to practicing with you again very soon.